Guys, welcome back again. So in today's update, I'll be talking about how the crypto market moved and our production so far, right? Because on my last video that I made, I say that it's actually going to come down, and this is what happened. That if it make this movement, we'll be expecting a very bearish level, right? We'll be expecting this, and exactly this is what happened here. But on this level, we should check out what happened on this trend, right? And what happened on this trend caused me to lose about $15, right? So it caused my trade, and I have to place another trade again because I actually know that this is the movement of Bitcoin, right? So over here we can see the market bounce up. We first of all see a breakdown in the market, right? And the next thing we see a breakout too. Obviously this stick up here means it is a, let me say, it's a trap, right? I was saying this is a trap, right? Because many traders will think that it's actually going up, that they have to call the trade, or so you can see that this was a bounce back in this uptrend here, before settling at the middle. And I also told you guys that we are going to see a resistance level at this moment before it starts twisting back. Okay, so it has started twisting back in the market. So this is the movement we have. So first of all, so we're checking out what is going to happen in Bitcoin in the next 1 hour, what is going to happen in Bitcoin in the next 4 hours, what is going to happen in Bitcoin in the next 1 day, what is going to happen in Bitcoin in the next 3 days, what is going to happen in Bitcoin in the next 1 week, and what is going to happen in Bitcoin in the next 1 month. So this video, you are going to decide whether you are buying Bitcoin or you are not buying Bitcoin, because what I will show to you right now will just amaze you, right? It will just amaze you, but I'll be giving you the tips you should follow, right? So that you will know when to actually trade, when to actually buy Bitcoin, and when to actually sell your Bitcoin. So guys, with that, let's say I'm just going to click on 1 day. I'm going to click on 1 hour time frame. You can see 1 hour time frame over here, and we are going to zoom this back, right? We are going to zoom this back. We have seen that there is the market is still going bearish, right? For the few past hours, the market has been going bearish, and over here we have a fake out, right? A fake out, right? Before returning back to the market, and over here we may actually have that the same fake out. It may be over this level. We may actually have that the same fake out, but that fake out is still going to happen before we still experience the next movement that Bitcoin is actually going to take. So let us check out for the 4 hour time frame. Let's see what Bitcoin has. So we still have the same thing, right? The market is still going to go down, the market is still going down, and we see that fake out, right? So let me see, we saw this fake out over here. So this is actually telling us that the fake out is still coming, right? The fake out is still coming to happen. So we should just get note of that. So we check under 1 day chart, right? This is where the play come to, right? So guys, don't be there are some traders that we advise you to actually trade now, right? But before I say this, let me just give you the step, right? The next movement I think Bitcoin is going to move, right? So if eventually Bitcoin settle at this spot, because we can currently see that we are at the bullish level, right? We are at the bearish level, sorry guys, we are at the bearish level, right? And if Bitcoin settles here around this area, if Bitcoin settles down here, and if it does not trace back to this market and come to this resistance level, that means we are going to go on a resistance level again, right? We are going to go on a resistance level again, right? So you should also note that. So guys, because I'm also checking out on on the next plan of Bitcoin, right? So if we check very well, I am predicting that Bitcoin is going to come down at this spot. Yeah, for sure, it's going to come down at this spot. So now the price hit this place, I think I'm going to place a bounce back in the market. That means I'm going to put a buying order, right? So let us check this price that I'm predicting that Bitcoin is going to reach. So Bitcoin should reach about 26,300, 250 here about. So this is the price I'm actually projecting Bitcoin to actually reach before we are going to see a retrace back in the market. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Do it to actually make your own research so that you know what is actually, so that you will be updated on the market. So so good, we are seeing a bounce back, right? So now what is my next plan? Because I'm also expecting this Bitcoin to actually it does not mean that it's going to go bullish, right? I'm not saying it's going to go bullish, no, but I have to trade smartly, right? I have to trade smartly and know what is next to come after the market. So that means if I'm to buy at this level, right? If I'm to buy at this level, remember, this is never a financial advice, right? If I'm to buy at this particular level, or if I'm to buy now, but it's still risky to buy now, right? I'll be telling you guys the next plan I'm going to buy, right? So if I'm to buy now, I'm just going to I'm not going to take my buying order at this limit, right? Because we are seeing the market is breaking down. So you need to follow the breaking down of the market. You buy at this level, the market may actually trace back before tracing down again. So guys, this is the next step I'll be taking on Bitcoin. But before buying, we need to see a retrace in the market. Before buying, we need to see a retrace in the market. If we see a retrace in the market, we can actually move into. Now guys, let me zoom here. Now this, you can see this yellow line was coming down, right? We have a bullish sign here, and we can still see a breakout at this level. We saw a breakout at this level. Okay guys, sorry, we saw a breakout at this level. We saw a breakout over this level. You can see this trend line break out above the yellow line. So this is called retrace. Whenever you see the market going bullish, you see this retrace, right? You see this retrace back to the market going above. You should know the next step is to actually, the next movement, first of all, you should know that it should settle above the yellow line. Then the next movement of Bitcoin is that it's going to actually go bullish, or it's going to make a bullish sign if this movement comes, right? So right now we are still seeing Bitcoin saying going to go down. I'm not giving you advice to actually buy Bitcoin now. It's a choice to actually make more research before you can actually buy Bitcoin now. But for me, I think right now is not the best time to actually buy Bitcoin, because before buying Bitcoin, I will have wait for a retrace back in the market. At least I can see the yellow line breaking down, then I can see the trend line going above the yellow line before I can actually buy at this point. Before I can actually buy at this point, before I can be hoping the market to actually break at the top, right? So this next plan I'll be taking on Bitcoin. So let us take Bitcoin on 3 days chart. Let's see what Bitcoin have. We can see that Bitcoin has break above this. Okay, this has repeat itself. Okay, so what is next plan of Bitcoin? What is next plan of Bitcoin, right? So let us check on 1 week chart. We are still checking on 1 week chart, and we are still seeing a down movement in the crypto market so far. So guys, we are taking on 1 month. What does 1 month have for us? Do you think Bitcoin is still going to make it at the top of the market? So guys, right now, as for me, I don't think Bitcoin is going to make it at the top of the market, because I can see that this trend line is going to break down. Right, it's going to break down. I don't think Bitcoin is going to actually make it to the bullish sign, right? So guys, I think this year, I think we are done with the bullish running, right? I think we are going to actually meet Bitcoin at the down reducing price, right? It may even go down to about, it may even go down, right? We are expecting this to actually go down. I think this trend line will come down here, and why this follows. So may even go down to about that level. So we should be expecting this by 6 months or 7 months or 8 months. But I think that this is actually going to take the whole of this year. That means we are going to experience bearish in the next 4 months to come. But you should also make your research to actually see the next move that is coming up on Bitcoin. So guys, I'll be saying peace out for now. If you do like this video, kindly give it a like, and also do it to support this channel by actually subscribing. Like for now, I'm going to say peace out and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned, and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I post new video like this, you will be notified.